Okay, so happy Saturday morning again. Today we're at my mom's, one of the nicest places to be to just hang out and relax and stuff. So this Saturday, of course, when you come here again, it's just you do a little fun, a little fishing, a little hunting, whatever. But there's always time for chores, right? So I think today we're gonna finish up some things. Actually, my brother's coming down today, so we may not work as hard today, but just sit around and have a good time. So, but we've already fixed the lawnmower. It was having some issues with the just fuel filter spark plugs. Was having a little hard time starting and stuff. Got a gate to fix, antenna we put up, front gate needs fixed. Someone bumped back into the post. And so right here what happened was someone came to look at a camper or something, and they backed into this pole and shifted it over. So that raised it up, oh, I don't know, I think it's almost 2 feet, not quite, but plenty that you could roll under it real easy. And one of the other gates, we didn't use enough concrete last time, I guess. We were up here and the post is starting to sink because it's a real heavy gate. So she wants us to straighten that up, then we'll pull it back with the tractor and put some concrete in there. Just all kinds of stuff. She needs a new piece of siding or skirting and an air vent to put in. We bought one that's an automatic. It's got a thermostat on there, so it opens and closes in heat or cold. So during the winter it'll be closed vent, and during the summer it'll be a hot vent or open vent. So it's kind of a cool little thing. But we are going to go down there and fish after a while. Caught a bass yesterday, but I was in the mid part of the day. I meant to go down there this morning and try it out, but I just drink my coffee and my mom's cooking some breakfast and stuff. So I think I'll just wait until tomorrow morning or this evening. Maybe we might go down there with my brother. So, but always lots of stuff to do. That's pretty much the plan today. Just get her list out and start checking things off while we're here. It's all the stuff that's really too heavy or too big or whatever that she can't do. So we come up and help her with that, and you know, shoot the guns a little bit, do a little fishing, and just having a good time. So, you know, as always, we thank you for watching. Stay tuned and get you some of these videos up when I get time. I'll take some time and get some stuff edited and get that fixed, and you know, start getting some projects out there. You know, like I said before, in every video, I still haven't gotten the tow trailer up, still haven't got the log splitter done, working on that car. So there's lots of things coming. Just got to get them finished and put up there. But right now, just been out of town again. So I took a whole almost a week, I guess it was. So got the Labor Day weekend, so I took off a couple days and came up here for that. And beforehand, she also wants us to get the cows and take them to the sale tomorrow. A couple that they want to get rid of that are causing trouble. So just always a bunch of stuff to do when we come up here, but it's a lot of fun, and you know, kind of gets away from the normal everyday stuff. You get to come out here and just kind of horse around, I guess you'd say. So all right, as always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.